I'm Bella Popaduke, your neighborhood reporter. Army Major Blaine McGraw remains in Bell County Jail as his case makes its way through the military justice system called Uniform Code of Military Justice. But that process is very different than what most of us may know about the civilian court process.
By analogy, every state has its own penal code,
Criminal and
and
military defense
they're all a
attorney
little
Brian
bit different, but the
Bouffard has practiced
fundamentals.
law for 28 years in both court systems. The Uniform Code of Military Justice, or UCMJ, is the military's criminal law system.
They're all a little bit different, but the fundamentals, especially the constitutional fundamentals, are the same.
Criminal charges against McGraw are being preferred by the Army's Office of Special Trial Counsel, or OSTC. So if he's tried, the military case will play out through the UCMJ.
The act of drafting charges and formally serving them on an accused is called preferral, P-R-E, referral, okay? Which means this is taking place before a referral.
Bouffard says, unlike civilian courts, military cases don't have permanent courthouses or judges. A court-martial is created for each case, and prosecution decisions go through trained military lawyers called Special Trial Counsel.
So just like in civilian court, an accused in a military system has a right to have his or her case tried by either a judge alone or a military jury. It's called a panel of court members.
A military jury is picked by the prosecution and consists of all active duty service members who are senior in rank to the defendant.
The rates of pleas in the military are roughly similar to the rates of pleas in the civilian world, which is to say the vast majority of cases don't go to trial. They are handled by plea.
Bouffard tells me even if McGraw is tried through the UCMJ, he still could face criminal charges for any actions off base from the state. With the charges against McGraw preferred, next steps include a preliminary hearing officer going through the evidence and determining if there's probable cause for each charge before referring it to trial by general court-martial. If the charges are referred, a military judge will be assigned to the case and they will schedule dates for trial. Reporting on Fort Hood, I'm Bella Popaduke.